Hi students, today we are going to discuss how you should prepare for intermediate first year, especially physics exam, because I am a physics faculty. So almost you have 35 to 40 days left, so this is probably enough to prepare and fetch good marks in physics. So let me start with the long answer questions. So you have in section C 3 LAQs, out of which one is a choice, and 2 LAQs you should attempt. And the 19th question you'll get from 6th chapter, that is work power energy or work energy power. In that you have 3 long answer questions, out of which you'll get one, that is law of conservation of energy in freely falling case, and you can expect one problem in that. Or work energy theorem, notions of work and kinetic energy, that is nothing but definitions, and derivation of work energy theorem including a diagram, or you can expect a problem also in that. And next comes one-dimensional elastic collision, definition of collision, types of collision, examples, all the concerned theory related to that question, elastic, inelastic, and the derivation for that one according to law of conservation of momentum, kinetic energy, relative velocity of approach before collision equal to relative velocity of separation after collision. Then you should find out the final velocities, and sometimes they may ask exchange of velocities are also. That is all included in my YouTube channel. You can refer to that one later. Okay, and the 20th question you can expect from what with this chapter, 8th chapter. That is nothing but oscillations. So in oscillations there are 2 important questions. One is time period of simple pendulum, that is t equal to 2 pi root L by G, derivation part. And one sub question can also be added, that is definition of seconds pendulum, or sometimes they may ask one problem also. Other than seconds pendulum definition, they may ask a problem. And one more, you have a uniform circular motion in the same chapter. So out of these 2, generally you should expect one. Okay. And in 21st question, generally they will ask from thermodynamics, that is state second law of thermodynamics, and differences between heat engine and a refrigerator, isn't it? So, but other than that one, there are many probable questions that you can expect in the final exam. That is Newton's law of cooling and a problem, thermal conductivity and coefficient of thermal conductivity plus a problem, ideal gas equation. So like this you have many questions in that. So there are totally 5 questions that can be asked as a 21st question. But if you are perfect with these 2 chapters, that is 6th chapter and 8th chapter, then easily you can score 16 marks, provided you are perfect with what these problems. And you should know that always you should expect for the unexpected questions. So in 19th question in the same chapter, you have one other question that is called as define kinetic energy and derive the equation for the same, and one small problem is there. So that is there in the model paper, that is included in board of intermediate. Okay, so that is unexpected question, I am not including in this one. And in 20th question also there is one more 1-star question, I should say, that is derivations for potential energy and kinetic energy in simple harmonic motion or simple harmonic oscillator. So that one also I didn't include here. But if you expect such type of unexpected questions, so I recommend you to attempt for this 21st question also. Okay, but generally these are the basic questions they are asking from the previous model papers or anything. So what are the important questions for 21st question? I am saying according to the priority, that is second law of thermodynamics, and Newton's law of cooling. Already plus problem I said. Second law of thermodynamics, you have heat engine and refrigerator differences. Okay, and next Carnot engine, and as I said conductivity, thermal conductivity and coefficient of thermal conductivity. And last one is define Boyle's law and Charles' law. From that you derive ideal gas equation. And last one is define Boyle's law and Charles' law. From that you derive ideal gas equation. And last one is define Boyle's law and Charles' law. From that you derive ideal gas equation. And last one is define Boyle's law and Charles' law. From that you derive ideal gas equation. You already had this in your chemistry, but this is a different thing. And in this you have again sub question, which law is preferred for the purpose of thermometry and why. So here definition of Boyle's law, definition of Charles' law, and from that you should derive the ideal gas equation. So if you observe closely, if you are perfect with the 5, that means in 19th question you have 3 long answers, and in 20th question you have 8th chapter 2 long answers. So if you are perfect with this 5, including the different problems, then you can easily attempt 2 LAQs. But as I said, if you want to be on more safer side, that means sometimes you are unable to solve the problems, then I recommend that you should also read all these 5 LAQs extra to attempt for this 21st question. Why these many questions are there? Totally have 10, isn't it? 10 LAQs you should learn perfectly. Why? Because this time in 2023 exams 100% syllabus is included. So that is the main reason you should study, practice more. So this is for the LAQs, and in my next video I'll keep for the short answer questions.